Alright guys, so we are under a severe thunderstorm watch, and as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a huge cloud that looks like a tornado. Although my mom says that it's probably not a tornado. I don't know, the winds are pretty strong. So the max wind gust up to 60 miles per hour, and the hail size up to 1 inch. I can't imagine being pelted with that. Our flag is going crazy. It's like, yo, what's good, YouTube? Oh, are you kidding me? Oh man, I just got hit with some water. Hey. No flipping way, bro. What the heck is that? What? I swear I see like there's I think that's a tornado. Yo, no way. No. The tornado sirens will be going off right now. There's no flipping way that's a tornado. You know, I'm trying to get like a tornado caught on camera for you guys. But right now, that totally looks like a tornado. There's no freaking doubt that. I just don't know. No, I don't think that's a tornado. If I do like encounter a tornado, then just smash like and subscribe buttons for good luck for me, because I might die. Holy sheesh balls up! Hang on, is that moving? Is that moving towards me? Is that moving towards us? Oh my god, it is. Holy crap! I might die. But again, I don't hear like the tornado sirens going off or anything. So I don't think. No, that's not a tornado. I'm just trying not to like scare myself or anything by saying just like it's not a tornado, even though it probably is. Like I said, smash like, subscribe with notifications on like it does in the intro, and hang on, I'm listening out for like the sirens, just in case there's any. No, I see the clouds rotating. I swear, that is a freaking tornado. I swear, there is a possible tornado right freaking there. That's coming towards us. My heart is beating just like. It's like the Italian like pizzeria thing, just like. Smash like for me. Smash like, subscribe, with notifications on so we get posted if I ever do upload again. Smash like with notifications on every time that I post. But I might not be able to because I might die from this tornado if it is one. Wait a minute. I think I hear sirens. no, no, no. Those clouds are 100% freaking rotating. Do I want to stay out here? I have no freaking idea.